Welcome back to Weems Motor Co. Today we are at the Orange County Choppers Invitational. Stick around. Got started in motorcycles around 2006. My dad was a bike builder and kind of gleaned some of that knowledge from him. We bought this motorcycle and we haven't even been inside the engine. So I've done a lot of these and I'm pretty confident that we can make it run the way it's supposed to. I think the coolest part about it is that my daughter built the bike. I was kind of there hand in hand, making sure everything was safe and proper. Definitely a proud dad moment to kind of pass that torch on to my daughter and to the next generation. We presented it to her on Christmas and we're just now finishing up, so it took us about 5 months to build the whole bike.
It was kind of shocking because when I first got to do it, I didn't expect that I was ever going to be able to build my own bike, but my dad helped me through a lot of it. I've always liked riding with my dad, so I've always been in the background watching how to do everything. If I were to make my own bike, I wonder if I can change people, and especially girls that want to do this, maybe I can encourage them to do whatever they want to do. A lot of the bikes that people make, they aren't as girly as mine appear to be. A lot of people stick with basic colors, and I think when people get to see mine, they can have more ideas and see what kind of different stuff they can do with bikes. I don't think that I would have been able to make it look like this or work like this if my dad wasn't there with me helping me through it.
She came up with doing it bejeweled like that, and I was like, man, I have never seen that done on a motorcycle. That could be really cool. And so I think it came out pretty stinking amazing.
The pink tiger. Obviously I'm gonna ride it as much as I can because I really like this bike. It's really cool because not many people get this chance to do this kind of stuff, especially with their dad.
Alright guys, so this is the most important reason why we're here. My daughter Adelaide unveiling her motorcycle. What is it?
What do you mean, what is it?
It's a motorcycle. What?
Yeah.
Tell us about your motorcycle.
It's a 1970 Triumph Tiger 500.
Tiger 500. First time you ever built a motorcycle. How long did it take you to build it?
5 months.
5 months. What did Dad do in the garage that aggravated you the most during the whole build? What did I do that aggravated you?
Explain it too much.
Oh, I over-explained. I guess next time I just give her the welder and all the tools and say, get to work.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, today we're unveiling your bike here at the show. We're keeping our fingers crossed that you win an award. I think you deserve an award.
Me too.
Because you're awesome and you do awesome. Well, we're going to give you guys some close-up footage of this motorcycle. Let's go check it out. everybody. Once again, we are here at the OCC show, and we're hanging out here with a new friend I just met today. A guy that I've kind of been following along social media-wise. This is Drew. What's the name of your shop?
Evolution Cycles.
Evolution Cycles. So these guys have built this amazing Panhead for the Biltwell People's Champ. Done amazing. Are you excited to get this bike out to California?
I'm very excited to go run that road and hang out with all the other builders.
Dude, I tell you what, when you step out there on the grass at Born Free, it's just, have you ever been?
No, it's the first time.
Oh my gosh, dude, it's a life-changing experience. What I tell everybody is every motorcycle that is on that grass is a first place win in any other show in America, and then all of a sudden you gather them in one spot, and it's just like, it's an overload of all of your senses. So yeah, beautiful.
We call it the holy grail of choppers.
Oh yeah, definitely. So tell us about your chopper, man. What'd you build?
So I built a 61 pan. It's actually, I built it for my 7-month-old granddaughter. So
you have
I do.
You're not old enough to have a granddaughter.
I'm not, but I am. I am.
That's awesome though, man.
So she's probably the coolest 7-month-old ever. But so every part about the bike, I let a family kind of help with and touch in on. So there's a lot of key pieces and parts that my family's given me that I've added into the bike.
Cool. What's the most sentimental part of the bike?
So the hand shifter is a hatchet my brother gave me the very first time I built the bike, and it's made out of a Harley rotor. So I turned it into the hand shifter, and to me that means the most.
So it was originally a Harley rotor.
Correct.
And you turned it into a hatchet.
He had a guy turn it into a hatchet. It's sharp too. It's sharp.
And then you turned it into your jockey chip.
Correct. Yep.
Dude, that's super killer. Super awesome job. I'm excited, man. When we get out to California, I'm gonna be there at the waiting. I'm gonna be waiting at Cook's Corner.
Yeah.
Waiting for you to come pulling in on this super sweet chopper.
No, it's gonna happen. I can't wait.
Awesome, dude. Where can these people find you on Instagram?
It's Evolution Cycles 618.
Evolution Cycles 618. Make sure you go check out Drew. All the cool bikes he's building, man. Well, check it out. Let's go see some other bikes. All right, guys, so here we are at the OCC Invitational, and my friend Clay coming down all the way from Amish country up there in Pennsylvania, brought out his Biltwell People's Champ winner, where you got doused in a bunch of cans of beer.
That's right, yeah.
So how is it being showered in beer and presented a check for $10,000 in California?
One of the best feelings in the world. Seriously, it was an awesome time.
So did it blow away riding that chopper through the canyons of California?
That was fun too. I mean, just the whole experience alone was great.
It's like, I would say everything was like serendipitous. It's like you could not beat the whole thing. Traveling out to California, bringing an amazing bike that is not a Harley Davidson. And I know you love Harleys too.
Yeah, I do. I like anything chopper.
Yeah, but bringing something other than a Harley, that always gets my vote. So he definitely got my vote through the whole People's Champ. Congratulations with that.
Buddy.
And good luck today, because here at the show we are voting for Best Chopper. And in my book, you already won, bro. So hey, thanks a lot. You guys make sure to check him out. Where can they find you on Instagram?
White Trash, White Rice.
White Trash, White Rice.
Thank you very much. But I got to bring a special person up here, and I don't know how to. It's not. You know, I know who you are. Yeah, we hug and stuff. Yeah. Yeah. The girl that built the Triumph. The girl that built the Triumph. Come on up here.
So every class has seniors pick, and we made a little exception today. We didn't have a division for kids, because frankly speaking, how many kids do you see that come and build bikes? So we created this award for her today, this afternoon, knowing that we were going to give it to her. So congratulate Addie on that. Addie Weems. All right, this is the person with the most votes from the people that were here today. Everybody voted today. First place People's Choice Award goes to Weems. Come on up, Weems.
So proud of you, little girl. Took home not one, but 2 awards at the first Orange County Chopper. You shook Paul Tuttle Sr.'s hand. He said an amazing bike. He loves your bike. What do you think?
It's crazy.
Crazy, right? And this is only the beginning of it. So, with that, are you gonna help me do the ending?
Yeah.
We're gonna wrap it up here. If you guys are new around here,
Hit that subscribe.
do that. She's nervous, she's excited. If you really like the video, hit that thumbs up. And if you really like the video, turn those notifications on and let everyone know
What's going on at Weems Motor Co.